Hello guys, and today we are going to be opening a Lost Kittens box. I have no idea what I'm going to get, but I am definitely using the city bag. Let's hype it first. So let's rip it. Alright, we ripped it. This is the manual. The manual thing. This is the one I got last time I had it. Those kitties. Look at the image on the back. It is so cute. It is so cute. Very cute. Let's open the top. I can't push it out. Yeah. Looks like there is Play-Doh inside. Let's rip it out. Oh, it is Play-Doh. It's Play-Doh. It smells like it too. It's my little ASMR. Very nice ASMR. Oh, I see something blue in there. I can't take it out. I can't take it out. Hello, Toshi. Toshi just came into the room. Come here, Toshi. It's a dog. Toshi, come here. Oh, it is something definitely blue. Yeah. There is some stuffs on it. Stuffs on my fingers. Milk on my fingers. It's time to open the blind bag. It is time to open the blind bag. I can't open it. Oh, it's purple. I think we got Sid, but I am not sure. Oh, no, it is not Sid. It is Vampire Kitty. And it comes with wings, too. And the wings can't come off, sadly. So cute. Look. It's in here. It's in the hashtag adorbs. His name is Booger. Booger. I think it's Booger. He's trying to scare you. Watch this. And boo! Did they scare you? His name is Booger. There's nothing else in there. Let's search for more treasures. Yeah, there's something else in there. Yeah. Yep, there's definitely more in there. Ooh, another blue thing. Oh, let's put that back. It has lots of stuffs on it. Oh! It's a little pumpkin. It is a little plumpkin. I can't get it out. Look, it is pumpkin. It comes with Booger. But there is a hole in the bottom. I do not know what that is for. It does not fit. It does not fit. He goes right beside it. Now there's one more little thing. Oh yeah, I forgot. It comes with a little meme. Can't get the stuffs off. Can't get the milk off. Oof. My hands are very greasy. Oh no, I ripped it. Oh no. Oh no, maybe we can put it back together. No, we can't. Let's see what it says. I is the night. That is very cute. Look at this. Compared to this. It is very cute. I am definitely adding this to my collectibles. Every time he goes to sleep in his milky. His milkies. I'm gonna make a little scene with it. Yeah. Oh, there's something else in there. It's purple. I'll show you what it is. Get all the stuffs off. Get all the milkies off. Let's get all the milky off. It's a street lamp. I'm gonna make a scene. So first, we grab the Play-Doh milk. Play-Doh milky. It's just like putty. He I likey. Me likey. Booger. Oh, it's in series 2. Nice. Let me squish it down. Yeah. Yeah. YouTube, please don't demonetize me for copyright. It looks like a Demogorgon right now from Stranger Things, but it is actually just a flood of milk. The plumpkin goes there. Booger goes there. And the street lamp goes there. Look, I call it Halloween City is flooding. And we put it in there. Halloween City is flooding. Oh no, Halloween City is flooding. Swish, swish. Now it's dripping off the sides. Drip, 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 drippy. Oh. Halloween City is flooding. Yeah. This is very, very cute. I very much like this. So it comes with the street lamp, the plumpkin, most importantly, Booger. That is very, very cute. I'm going to keep playing with this for the rest of my life. That was the thing. That was the milk. Alright, let's see what Booger is doing on the back. Oh, now I see him. He's out the window, scaring people. Alright, that's it. See you tomorrow night. Bye-bye, guys.